It's new knife day at Sharpening Supplies, and today we have received the Morakniv Companion Fishing Fillet 155 in stainless. So once again, we're going to test the sharpness of this knife and then see what 1 minute of stropping can do to improve its sharpness. So once again, we've got the edge on up to test how sharp this Morakniv Fillet knife is. So let's see how it is near the heel. $214 grams. Let's test the middle. $287 grams. And let's test the tip of this knife. 173 grams. So that gives us an average sharpness of 225 grams. Let's see what 1 minute of stropping can do to improve the sharpness of this knife. Let's go. Let's see what effect that has on this fillet knife's sharpness. So near the heel, 168 grams. Near the middle, we've got 174 grams. And near the tip, 127 grams. So that gives us a new average score of 156 grams. So we've managed to improve the sharpness of the Morakniv Companion Fishing Fillet 155 by about 69 grams with just 1 minute of stropping. Excellent. Do you own a Morakniv Companion Fishing Fillet knife? If so, how sharp is yours? If you would like to be able to test the sharpness of your knives or improve the sharpness, visit us at sharpeningsupplies.com where you can find everything you need.